On a lush tropical island, Shiny the peacock was admired for his orderliness. His vibrant feathers were always neatly arranged, and his part of the forest was the tidiest. Shiny spent his days organizing the forest. He arranged the leaves, lined up the stones, and even sorted the flowers by color, creating a stunning display. The other animals marveled at Shiny's dedication. They began to follow his example, working together to keep their island beautiful and orderly. Soon the tropical island became known for its incredible beauty, all thanks to Shiny's love for orderliness. His meticulous nature had inspired everyone to cherish and maintain their paradise.